Hi there. I just want to say thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. My name is Mary and I am with the Principal Marketing Firm. I'm the CEO and co-founder. Digital marketing is literally my life. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you three main topics to help bring you more customers in that door. And I already know you're probably asking yourself, why am I doing this and what's in it for me? And I fully understand and I get it. But the simple thing is that business owners are way too busy to understand how the internet can benefit them and their companies. And if by the end of this video, you're thinking to yourself, I know what I'm doing, I can take this information and I can run with it, then by all means go for it. But if you're thinking to yourself, I think she's an expert. This information that was given to me is helpful and I want to know more about it, then just shoot me back a message. So let me not talk too much about that, but let's just jump right into it. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is content. So on your page, I use this site called SEO Quake. I have it installed in my extension right here. It kind of gives me a lot of details and backgrounds about your site, but people can't see when they're just searching through Google. So I can see that you have about 961 words currently, and your competitors over here, they have about 600 words. The difference is that they're using more keywords than you guys are, and that's what they're getting brought up more on Google when you Google search them on here. They are the first one that you see. We don't count any of these because these are already sites that they're probably getting backlinks to, which is Yelp and Realtor.com. But we want to make sure that we're focusing on your keywords because Google needs 1,500 words to be optimized to make sure that they can see that your content is important and the first that should be shown up. The second thing is that we use a site called Ahrefs. Ahrefs right here is going to give me your organic keywords. You have about 195 keywords. We want to definitely bring this number up. Your competitors over here, they have 8.5K keywords. We can take these keywords and we can figure out which ones have high volume. And it looks like their high volume is Reno real estate agents. Reno real estate 2.5K. We have realtors in Reno 1.3K. These are things that we can take from them, keywords, and put them into your content. So that way Google is recognizing you, you have more higher volume. Currently, your keywords, they have they're pretty low, so they're not even touching 1,000 right now. We want to make sure we're getting to a high volume. You do have some keywords. Reno Realty is only 250, so you definitely want to change that as well in your content. The second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. Now, citations is whenever you Google a keyword. So real estate agents in Reno or agents in Reno are looking to sell a home in Reno. We want to make sure that you get brought up in this Google Map Pack. Google Map Pack, what you typically would need is the um, business name, the business address, and the business phone number. So that's what we call AKA NAPS. And you're probably asking yourself, Mary, how do I get ranked in maps? Don't worry, that is exactly what I'm here for. We use another site called White Spark. It's about $30 to $70 a month. And we can see here that some of your competitors that they have around, excuse me, as this loads up. Here we go. They have around 63, 67, 50 citations. Currently, when I did search you guys up, I didn't find any citations at all. We want to change that to make sure that you guys are getting brought up in the Google Map Pack. Citations are what we would submit to Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, and even Facebook. Yes, Facebook. So if you go on Facebook and people are talking about it, we want to make sure that you're getting brought up on their timeline no matter what the situation is. The last thing I want to talk about and cover with you is called backlinks. Now, let's go back over here to Ahrefs. Backlinks are incredibly important. Backlinks are what's going to give your site that extra boost that you need. An example of a backlink is if I am looking for a real estate agent and I say that there's a backlink that says www.realestateagentsinreno.com, we want to make sure that that backlink is going back to you guys, not Pizza Hut, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. So you don't want www.pizzahut and then you have your site page is on there for some weird reason. That's not a credible backlink, and Google's not going to recognize that. So if we go hop into your backlinks, like I said, you have about 134 backlinks. You have some good stuff in here. You know, it's probably going to be all considering all home stuff, luxury properties, really, really good stuff here. But the more backlinks you have, the more credible you are into Google's eyes. Your competitors have 10.2K backlinks. So This is where you want to be number one and have the authority in Google, almost like a popularity contest, almost like being an A+ student and having those keywords, having that content that's correct. So the three things that we went over is the content. So we go back to your page here, making sure that we have 1,500 words up, optimizing, making sure that we have citations. You want double citations to beat out your competitors by a landslide. We also want to make sure that you have more relevant backlinks pointing back at your site, to give that authority. This is all the information I really wanted to share with you today. We do advertisements, we do web design, we do all the other stuff for digital marketing, but I think you guys can benefit in these three main topics. And if you agree with me and you would like to go by a more effective route by giving me a call or anything like that, I'm here for you. My phone number is 775-402-2885, and I really look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.